video. From our last 2 or 3 videos, we have just learning the unit 4 adjective. Even what is adjective, first we'll see what is adjective. Adjective tell us more information, or adjective describe the noun and pronoun according to its feature, qualities, color, texture, size, material, this all. And there are 6 types of adjective. There are 6 types of adjective. Adjective of qualitative adjective, quantitative adjective, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, and interrogative adjective, and possessive adjective. This all 6 types we have learned in detail in our last video. And how by adding the suffix to the noun we can make as adjective, this also we have seen. Even I had given you the homework as well to make a adjective by adding suffix to the noun. Now it's time to do some exercise which is given on page number 22. So there is the focus exercise first. What instruction is there? The instruction is put the jumbled word below in the correct order to make the sentences. That means the sentences are there but they are not in proper order. The sentences are broken in the words and that words are not putting in the proper order. Now what we have to do? We have to put the words in the proper order and make the sentence completely. So what we have seen first, actually basically the statement is like subject plus verb plus object plus complements. Yes. So in the statement we just see in the assertive sentence, all the sentences just start with the subject, then verb is there, then object is there, then complement. But some sentence doesn't need the object, they just need the complements to complete the sentence. Now we have to see, we have to put all the words in the proper order according to this structure. So what sentence is first? The first is, I am just writing the banana, bananas slash this slash yellow slash nice slash look. Now this sentence is there. Now what we have to do? We have to put this sentence in the proper order and we'll make the sentence properly. So what we need first? We need the subject. So what is our subject? This yellow banana. So the answer is this yellow banana look nice. Now see, this is our subject, this yellow banana. This is our subject. This is the noun, this yellow banana. This is our subject. Look means dikhna. So look is our verb and nice is a complement. So in this sentence there was no need of the object, directly complement is written. So this sentence is completely fit in this structure and this is the assertive sentence. For making the sentence, first we need always the subject, verb, object and complement. But some sentence doesn't need of the object, we can write directly the complements. That all we see in our next chapters. So this yellow banana, this is our subject, look is verb and nice is the complement. So the answer is this yellow banana look nice. Now the second sentence, the slash cold slash water slash in the slash pool is. Now first what we have to find, we just have to find which subject is there in the sentence. The quote, this is not subject. Water in the pool, this is also not subject. Pool, not subject. Is not. So the water. The answer will be, the subject we got the water. The water is. Now what we use? Helping verb. The water is cold in the pool. So sentence is completed. The water is cold in the pool. Yes, this sentence is completed and all the words are put in the proper order. Now the next one, homework slash the slash boys slash enough slash have. Now again we have to put this sentence properly. Homework, the boys, enough and have. So what is our subject is there? The boys. The subject is the boys. The boys have enough homework. The boys have enough homework. Now the fourth sentence is vacant slash is slash flat slash 10th slash and the. Now the full stop. Vacant is flat 10th the. So the subject is the 10th flat. The 10th flat is vacant. So these the sentences are jumbled and we put all the sentences in the proper order and we completed it with meaning. So you just note down this all the sentences in your notebook. Now the fifth and sixth one is there. So you just first note down this in your notebook. Then I will rub the first one and the second one. Then we'll complete the fifth and sixth one sentences. For making any sentence also, first what you need first subject. What you need first subject, then verb, then object and then complements. After the object, which words we just add in the sentence to make it complete, it is called complement. That all we will see in our next chapters where the verb is there. So I just rub the first one. I hope you have written these. I am just rubbing the first one and What is the fifth sentence is there? Borrow slash some slash can slash I slash money slash you slash from. Now first what we need first subject. We need first subject, but can is also there, so we have to make a sentence. The model auxiliary is there, this can. First we need to make the sentence, can I borrow some money? Can I borrow some money from you? Question mark. Can I borrow some money from you? Now the question mark. Can was there, that's why we made the question of this sentence. Now I just love the second one, so I can write the sixth sentence over there. What is the sixth sentence? Much slash how slash drink slash water slash do slash you slash in a day. In a day. Now how and much and do, like this subject, that means we have to make a question of this sentence. So first, for making sentence, what we need? We need the WH word, but how is also comes in the WH word, like what, which, where, way, like these words. With the words of that WH word we can make a sentence, but how is also there. So how much water, do you drink in a day? How much water do you drink in a day? मतलब तुम दिन में कितना पानी पीते हो? How much water do you drink in a day? Right? So this sentence is now completed. You please note down this all in your notebook. Now the focus exercise B, fill in the blanks with the correct words from the brackets. That means there is the conversation between the base and Lucy. There is conversation between the base and Lucy. They both are talking with each other and some sentences are there, which the dialogues are there and blank space is there. Two options are also there. We just have to find out the correct option and fill in the blanks we have to complete. So I just rub this all. Focus exercise B now we are going to complete. Now there is conversation between the Lucy and the base. What they are saying first. Now I am writing here B because the focus exercise B we are going to complete. Base. Do you see? Blank space is there. Two options, that and those. Rock. Now you see blank space, two options, which, slash and what. Rock, question mark, the one near blank space again, and those two options tailed. Now here the conversation between the base and Lucy. Now base is telling to Lucy, do you see rock? That means here is only one rock, that means that rock. Do you see that rock? So what will come here? That. Do you see that rock? Now Lucy see what rock? It's not. Which rock? So what will come here? Which rock? The one near those tailed are tailed. Which rock? The one near are tailed. First base is asking to Lucy, do you see that rock? क्या तुम वो rock देख सकती हो? So the Lucy see which rock? कौन सा rock? The one near our tent, जो अपने tent के पास है. Our means अपने. So the Lucy is saying which rock? The one near our tent. Now again the conversation is there, started. Now base is saying yes. Yes. Do you see a scorpion under it? Do you see a scorpion under it? So Lucy is saying, oh my. That means she is surprisingly saying, oh my. Is it green? Is it green? Blank space. Option it's and mud. Tail is really long. Really long. Now first base said, can you see that rock? So the Lucy said, which rock? The one near our tail. So base is saying yes. The rock which is near our tail. Do you see a scorpion under it? That means scorpion means one animal is there, one bacteria animal is there. So the base is same. Do you see the scorpion under it? That means rock के नीचे क्या है? Scorpion. So Lucy saying, oh my, is it green? वो green color का है. So tail is really long. किसकी tail? Scorpion की tail. So instead of scorpion, what we have to write here? The pronoun is its tail. This word is be used for the scorpion. Its tail is really long. Its tail is really long. Now the base, that is special kind of scorpion. That is a special kind of scorpion. We find it only here. We find it only here in North Africa and the Middle East. So where that scorpion is found, that scorpion just find only in the North Africa and the Middle East. So what we are used first in the first diagram, we use that. In the second, which are. Now here in Lucy's dialogue, it's now on the base dialogue there is no options. So you just note down this all the conversation in your notebook. Now I hope you have completed this all. Now I am just rubbing this. Now the practice exercise is there. So let's complete the practice exercise. Now practice is what instruction is there. Here is a small story. Choose the correct describing word to fill in the blanks and complete the story. One small story is there and you have to complete the small story. And some blank space is there and options are also there. Two options are there. You just have to choose the correct option to complete the story. So the first is, it was very cold and hot. Two options, summer afternoon. That is basically in the summer the temperature is very hot. So I am also writing here, it was a very hot and cold. Two options are there. Summer afternoon. Summer afternoon. A lamb was walking. A lamb was walking on the road. Walking on the road, he was feeling thirsty. He was feeling thirsty. Now, here he is talking about the summer season. So, summer season is always hot. So, it was very hot. In the first, what will come? It was very hot. The summer afternoon, there was a lamb who was walking on the road and he was feeling very thirsty. The lamb was very thirsty. There, blank space options is there, 3 and 3rd. These two options are there, days, full stop. He saw a whale. By the side of the road. By the side of the road. And peeped in. Now, it was very hot summer afternoon. A lamb was walking on the road and he was feeling very thirsty. The lamb was very thirsty and he was walking on the road. Lamb बहुत thirsty था और road पे चल रहा था क्योंकि hot summer था. So there days he saw a whale by the side of the road and peeped in. There 3 days. No, sorry, I have written one missing is there. Thirsty, he had, from here only the sentence is missing. He hadn't drank water. He was thirsty. He hadn't means had not drunk any water in. Now blank space 3 and 3rd. 3 and 3rd days. The lamb was very thirsty and the lamb had not drank any water in 3 days. We cannot say the 3rd day, it is 3 days. Since 3 days the lamb had not drank any water. He saw a whale. He saw a whale by the side of the road and peeped in. There wasn't blank space 2 option, any and many. Water in it. Now, since 3 days the lamb had not drank any water, he saw a whale by the side of the road and peeped in. उसने रोड के साइड एक वेल देखी, हुआ देखा और उससे पानी पीने की कोशिश की। There was not any water in it, but कुएं में पानी नहीं था। There was not any water in it, but there was a fox shouted out to the lamb. There was the fox shouted out to the lamb. Out to the lamb. Now, who was there at the way? There was one fox and who was shouting on the lamb. Hi, good afternoon. The fox is saying, hi, good afternoon. Lamb jump into the way. Jump into the way. It is so hot on the road, but it is so hot on the road, but it is very blank space, cool and warm here. Now, what fox is saying there? There was one fox in the way. Water was not there in the well, but the fox was there, and lamb went to the well to pick the water. But there was no water in the well. But who was there? The fox was inside the well, and the fox was saying to the lamb, "Hi lamb, good afternoon. There is good afternoon. Jump into the well." Fox क्या बोल रहे हैं लैम्ब को? वेल के अंदर जंप करो, वेल पे आ जाओ। इट इज सो हॉट ऑन द रोड। बाहर तो बहुत धूप है और रोड काफी हॉट है, काफी गर्म है। एंड इट इज वेरी कूल। इट इज वेरी कूल हियर। और वेल में कैसा है? वेल के अंदर बहुत ठंडक है और बाहर तो बहुत हॉट है। इसलिए फॉक्स क्या बोल रहा है लैम्ब को? यू जंप इनटू द वेल। यू जंप इनटू द वेल। You must get away from the heat and come down here. So the lamb is saying, in the well there is so cool. So you must get away from the heat, and come down here. Come down here. So this blank space we have completed. You just note down all the blank spaces in your notebook. Now the last paragraph is there. Upper one I just rubbed. So the last paragraph I can write. Thank you very much, said lamb. Thank you very much, said the blank space. Two options, smart and beautiful. So lamb was very smart. Fox asked the lamb to come into the well because outside it is too hot and inside in the well it is very cool. So lamb said, "Thank you very much," said smart lamb. The lamb was very smart. That's how you cheated my grandfather. That's how you cheated my grandfather. Lamb was very smart because the lamb was knew that this fox is cheated to everyone, and like he only, the lamb's grandfather was also cheated by the fox. You made him jump into the well. You made him jump into the well. Into the well. Then you stood on his back and got out while he was left there. Then got out while he was left there. That means लैम्प was very smart because लैम्प को पता था कि लैम्प के ग्रैंडफादर को भी फॉक्स ने ऐसे ही चीट किया था. उसको भी क्या किया था, ग्रैंडफादर को भी वेल में जंप करने बोला और उसके पीठ पे चढ़ के फॉक्स बाहर निकल गया. सो दिस ऑल स्टोरी गोज टू द लैम्प. So here then you stood up and left there. You cannot cheat me. So the lamb is saying here, lamb was very smart. So lamb is saying, you cannot cheat me. With blank space, option, such and enough tricks. Goodbye. So the lamb is saying, like my grandfather, you cannot cheat me with such tricks. With such tricks and goodbye. The lamb was very smart. So now we have completed the practice exercise also. Now your homework is you have to complete the extension exercise. The instruction is fill in the blanks with adjective form from the noun given in the brackets. Now in the bracket there are some noun and you have to make its adjective form and fill in the blank space. So that was your homework. Extension is your homework. Complete the exercise. I am writing this here. Homework is extension exercise. Homework is extension exercise A. Complete it and note down in your notebook. So here we completed the unit 4 adjective. In our next video we will see the unit 5 articles. Till then, bye bye, take care and thank you.